Let me show you all methods that allow you to change DPI settings on Samsung Galaxy S25. So the first and main option is located in a display, and then over here we can go to screen zoom, and here we can adjust the DPI by making the screen smaller or bigger by moving on this slider. However, we can also go to developer options. So first of all, in settings, go to about phone, then choose software information and keep tapping on build number until you need to enter the screen lock password. Then press OK to see the information that developer mode has been turned on. Go back to settings, scroll further down, and you will find developer options. Now over here you need to keep scrolling until you are in the drawing section. So over here, drawing, and then we should be able to find minimum width. So this is also the DPI setting that we can customize. The lowest value that we can set is 220, and this is the biggest screen that we can get. And if you want to make it smaller, then you can enter, for example, 750 DPI, which is really small, as you can see over here. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.